Hey guys, what is up? Ryan here, and we are gonna do a Nerf video. We're gonna do one with Dalton. Show yourself.
Woo!
And we'll do one with his brother later, but we're gonna do one with him right now. And then we're gonna do 2 rounds of a Nerf war. And then this is our base that we built a couple of days ago.
Yeah. It kind of got tore up, but
yeah, it was a lot better, but so.
Oh, and then after my brother and Ryan does it, we'll do all of us, and then we won't have we're not having a 2-round war, but we're gonna act Nerf things out and stuff.
Yeah.
Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Go.
So, let's do this. He's gonna go get in a spot. I'll try to set up the camera best angle possible. There, that should be. He's gonna be coming through here, and then I have this gun right here. This 25 max. Whoever shoots him first wins. Oh, I might be jammed actually right now. First time. Oh, okay, got it. Holy crap. What the heck? Okay, there you go. Got it. Okay. Whoa. Come on. I want this stupid thing to go in. There we go. And then, let's get ready. Let's just see if it shoots. Okay. And it's jammed. One more time. Okay, I think we're ready. So, we're good. Go, Dalton. Whoa. Okay, he shot me. That's round 1. Hey. Whoa. That was round 1. Well, he's being a weirdo. What the heck? He just knocked the camera over. There.
Camera kill!
My thing isn't doing what it's supposed to. It's broken. It's getting jammed like every 5 seconds.
I know.
This is actually really making me mad.
And look what we wasted. Hold up, guys. We're just trying to get.
Okay. I think I solved the problem.
What? That's what we wasted.
I think I solved it. Yep, I did. Whoa. Okay, let's just go.
It's working now.
Yep. Oh, whoa, why did you just sit on my face?
Look, remember you come in there. Remember when you come in and then...
Oh, yeah. Okay, so I have to exit the room now.
We're doing just a little acting here.
Okay. Ready, Dalton? Okay, ready?
Okay, where is he?
Ow! What the heck? Why'd you just shoot me in the back? Don't shoot me again. Ow, my head! Ow, that hurt. Okay. Hi, guys. Whoa. Okay. No, don't shoot me again. Please don't shoot me. No. What the heck? You just shot the camera again. Okay, guys, this has been another video. You missed. Hey. Okay, been another video of me and Dalton. We're probably gonna do one tomorrow, so be ready for that one. So
We're alive, baby.
what? Woo! Okay, so I will talk to you guys tomorrow or later today if you watch them
Boom,
today.
boom, 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 boom.
Okay.
Boom, 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 boom.
He's just trying to mess it up. So I will see you guys later, and we will be back with another video later today. Hopefully we have another video like in 10 minutes. So see you guys.